Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by positioning the vehicle and protecting yourself. Do this now. Locate the battery and visually confirm the positive, plus, red terminal and the negative, minus, black terminal so you know which clamp goes where. Once done, loosen the clamp bolts just enough to open each terminal. Do the positive terminal first. Make sure tools don't bridge both terminals, and keep a rag nearby to catch any drips or corrosion flakes. You now clean and prepare surfaces so current flows reliably. Use a terminal brush or a baking soda paste to neutralize and scrub away corrosion. Rinse and dry the posts completely because moisture reduces contact. Fit the clamp over the post and align it squarely. Attach the positive clamp first, then the negative. Tighten by hand, then finish with a wrench until snug. Avoid over-torquing. Make sure the clamps don't rock and that wires aren't under tension. You finish by verifying the job so the car runs reliably. Inspect both clamps visually and feel them. They should be tight and immobile. Once done, start the engine briefly to confirm lights and accessories work. If anything dims or the starter struggles, shut off and retighten clamps. If the vehicle still won't start, measure battery voltage with a multimeter and clean and receipt connections. If voltage is low or connections remain poor, replace the battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.